Hey guys, taking another little field trip to an EAA fly-in at Chapter 453 in Painton, Missouri. It is a grass strip. So there seems to be quite a few airplanes here. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're at this EAA fly-in. We're on this strip. Looks like the first part of the runway might be asphalt, and then it goes to grass. And quite a few ultralights and home builds. And got some remote control aircraft here as well. So we're gonna walk around and check this out. All right, looks like we have an Aeronica here. Let's take a look around it. 2 seats, front and back. And looks like they flew in for the event. Pretty nice little airplane. Pretty slick looking. Look at the size of this prop, guys. I don't know how this comes across on video, but man, it's quite a bit taller than I am. Pretty sweet. Got a gyrocopter here. It's got a Rotax engine on it. 2-seat. I don't know if you saw my last video, but we looked at a couple gyros in it. Go check it out if you didn't. It was a little trip to the Light Sport Expo in Mount Vernon, Illinois. But I really like gyrocopters. They're pretty neat. Push your propeller on it, and it's not quite like a helicopter. So if you're not familiar with them, the rotor, the main rotor, is not powered like it is on a helicopter. It's kind of like a glider, a spinning glider, I guess you could say. But it allows you to take off and land really short. And if you have an engine out or something like that, you can just kind of land like you would in a helicopter. And pretty cool aircraft. All right, we got another Kit Fox here. These are very popular kit experimental aircraft. That basically just means you build it yourself. Man, you see a lot of these out there because they're so popular. And this one's a really good looking one, not very old looking at all. I think I might know the guy who built this one. So pretty cool to see it out flying around and going to events. Somebody showed up in a VTEL Bonanza, guys. These are pretty slick airplanes. And there's some other YouTubers out there who fly these. You may have seen them around, but pretty slick. They have see if I can get inside it and show you. They have a unique control arm. I'll try to get up to the window, but it's got a. Usually they have a swing over arm. Let's see if I can get that on video. So the control, if you want to move the control over to the other pilot, you just swing it over to them. So there's one control, and you have to move it to the other pilot if you want to have 2 people flying the aircraft. Very interesting design. I've been told that I have flown in one of these before, but it's been a while. and the V-tail gives you a little bit of a bounce in the back seat. But pretty slick, pretty fast aircraft. Very popular with private pilots. And there are some remote control aircraft here as well. These are pretty nice ones. Take a quick video of these so you can see them. I don't know if we're going to be out flying them or what, but very good size remote control airplanes, and they definitely look like they're top-notch build quality.
Several of them have.
All right, guys, we got the Warbird squad here. Got some pretty cool painted up aircraft. Biplane here. Pretty sure we saw this one flying in as we were driving in. Pretty cool. And then we do have a couple others. Painted up with some Warbird colors. Look at this. Oh yeah. And one more over here. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. I doubt I can answer them, but maybe someone will. You never know. What is that over there? Looks like a med-flight helicopter. Let's go check that out. All right, these guys are probably leaving soon, so I'm going to take a quick walk around video. Very appreciative of these aircraft. They've saved a lot of lives, and they always have great flight crews. So got to give it up for the Air Evac Life Team. Crop duster starting up here. There goes the gyrocopter. Watch him spin up here.
and smoke.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that little tour of the EAA Chapter 453 here in Painton, Missouri. We got to see some pretty cool stuff and meet up with some old friends. So make sure to like and subscribe and check out some of the other videos we have of us flying, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.
See you next time.